Hello there everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, we are going to compare the M30 spring type gun and a combustion pistol. So let's find out which is better, if it is M30 or the combustion pistol. So range, accuracy, and its power. So let's test this to the field. Okay, for its first stopping power, so let's try the M30 first. So let's okay, M30. No chance of penetrating this. No penetration. So let's get to the combustion. Okay, so for our combustion, so let's give it a try. Oops. No hit. No hit again. No penetration, no hit. Last. Surrender. Okay, so here we have it. So for our final assessment, so I think M30 wins because it managed to hit 5 consecutive shots, and the combustion, I think it all missed. So M30 wins. So like, share, and do subscribe, boys.